Hello, my name is Lady Joanna Mancipe Ojeda. I am 21 years old. I am from Paipa, Boyacá, and I live in Tuta. My hobby is reading stories. I live with my father, my mother, my sister, and my daughter. I study food engineering. My favorite show is The Game from Egg. I like to play basketball. She is my father, is Oscar. He has 43 years old. He is tall and is cute. She is my mother, is Melba. She is 44 years old. She has light eyes and red hair. She is my baby. Is beautiful, like a princess. The best gift of good. There really is love. Thank you.